The bull market is officially here. Well, it's technically been here since November of 2022 when we saw Bitcoin wick all the way down to $15,000. But if you looked at the consensus online over the weekend, you would have thought that we were still in the bear market. Yes, the past 7 days for cryptocurrency were definitely a roller coaster. At the end of April, we saw a $64,000 Bitcoin. And then the next day on May 1st, we saw a $56,000 Bitcoin. It was an interesting weekend, but crypto has nicely recovered and Bitcoin's trading around $64,000 to start off this week. We also saw Ethereum and Solana follow Bitcoin's footstep, as we almost saw a $3,300 ETH at the end of April. And then one day later, ETH was trading at $2,800. ETH has also recovered nicely. We saw a $3,200 ETH this week. And one of my favorite layer 1 blockchains, Solana, was also hit very hard. Solana ended April near $140 per token. On May 1st, we saw Solana drop below $120. And now Solana is trading at $147 per SOL token. Now, if you've been in cryptocurrency for a while, you understand these 5% corrections are normal and healthy. And as I was preaching this entire weekend when all of this was happening, was the two most important things you can do in cryptocurrency. Number one is step away from the charts. Don't look at your portfolios. Don't look at meme coins because it's probably going to upset you. And number two, when the crypto markets do correct, it's a better time to buy the dips. If you were here in 2021, you understand it was not a straight shot right to a $69,000 Bitcoin. And actually, something that was pretty wild was on April 15th, we saw a $63,000 Bitcoin. And then later that year in July, just 3 months later, we saw Bitcoin go all the way down to $33,509. And what happened next? We went up to around a $50,000 Bitcoin in August, all the way back down to $43,000 in September. And then we hit all-time highs of $69,000 in November. And if you're investing in crypto here in 2024, you should expect the same to happen for the cryptocurrency market. And that's why you really do have to be unemotional when investing in crypto. Yes, it's great when we go up, everybody's happy. And honestly, if you need it, right? Everybody's in different situations, but if you need it, those are the times to take some profits. And then when we go down, you can see on crypto Twitter, everybody's freaking out, everybody's panicking, everybody's calling for Bitcoin and crypto to go to zero. But those are the times if you're invested in cryptocurrency, if you want cryptocurrency to win. And on the flip side, we're going to have corrections. And that's when everybody's calling for cryptocurrency to go to zero. And this is the time, if you're bought into cryptocurrency, if you think it's the future, this is the time that you have to buy the dip, even though you don't feel like doing so. The bull run is officially still here. And I do expect to see all-time highs in April of 2025, probably until the summer of 2025. Until then, it's important to practice these strategies. Take profits if you need it as we continue to climb up. And when the market's correct, don't sell. That's when you don't want to sell. That's when you want to put more money in and buy the dip. Now, obviously, no one knows exactly when the all-time high is coming, but if you look at the history of cryptocurrency, especially when it comes to the Bitcoin halving, the all-time highs occur about 1 year to 16 months after the Bitcoin halving takes place. Well, we understand that the Bitcoin halving took place in April of this year. So many experts do believe that we will see all-time highs in April of next year, probably all the way until the summer and possibly even winter time like we saw in 2021 when we saw all-time highs in November. So that is the video, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to bring you this here today. The bull run is officially still here. Stop panicking. Crypto is recovering, and it looks like we are ready for the next leg up for Bitcoin and many of our other favorite altcoins. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a comment below, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And as always, I appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you all on the next episode.